Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can actually change your chart title on Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you haven't seen my past few videos, they covered charts in great detail, so go back and check those if you want to know how to even create charts and how to style them. But in this video, let's go ahead and cover the chart title. So right now I have a chart title that's right here, but you may be looking at your chart and you're like, man, I don't even have a title. So what you need to do if you don't have a chart title on here, just go ahead and select your chart. Once you do that, you should see these three options appear. And the one that we're looking for is this plus option, which is chart elements. So if I select it, odds are your chart title has not been enabled. So you'll need to go ahead and click that to add it. You can see if I unclick it, it's gone, but now we have a chart title. So now that our chart title is here, we can go ahead and change our chart title. So let's go ahead and title it as budget. And now that I have it selected, I can do more than just changing the text that's there. I can also change the font size. I could change the font color. I could highlight it. I could do all the same things that I could to like a normal title or a normal text field on PowerPoint. So now that it's selected, let's come over to home. Let's go ahead and make this a little bit, go ahead and highlight it, make it a little bit bigger. So let's actually make it 28 and also change the color. So let's actually do the same blue color that we're using for our access titles as well. Okay, cool. So now we have our new chart title in place. And in the next video, I'll go ahead and cover how we can actually edit the access titles as well.